Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize a video in VN Video Editor. First, open the VN Video Editor app, navigate to the New Project section and click on New Project. Then, select the video you want to stabilize. To remove any unwanted parts of the video, click on the Split button to mark the segments, select the part you want to cut, and click on the Delete icon at the bottom right corner. Now that you have your video, let's work on stabilizing it. VN Video Editor doesn't have a specific stabilization button, so we'll approach it a different way. Start by clicking on the Speed icon, where you'll see a set of curves for speed adjustments. By lowering the curve, the video will become slightly slower, which helps reduce shakiness and makes the footage look more stable. As you lower the speed curve, you'll notice the video becoming both more stable and slower. Once you're satisfied with the stability, export your video by clicking on the export icon at the bottom right and then press the export button at the top right corner. That's how you can stabilize a video in VN Video Editor. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.